Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mastering Padasali. So this video is all about how to prepare for this last unit in CSIR Life Sciences exam syllabus, that is methods in biology. I know many of you will be in the mindset of leaving this particular unit, but the main reason why the student are leaving this topic is that under this topic, it is a larger topic, consists of totally 8 sections, but if you do some little bit research, okay, I made in this particular video, it will be really helpful. You need to concentrate only on 3 sections under this. That too, if you concentrated only on 10 important topic, that will be very much helpful. So first and foremost thing that which helped me to prepare for this particular unit is that first go for analyzing the previous year question paper. Okay, so while revising the previous year question paper, make yourself a buying the book which consists of topic wise segregated, like this particular book which has been given by Grassroot Academy, as well as Pathfinder is also publishing this topic wise segregated question paper booklet. It will be very much helpful, friends. Under this particular booklet, you can revise questions asked from 2012 till June 2021 questions you will be having. So you can refer this particular book, which will be very much helpful. Not only this book, okay, you can refer some other book, but the main thing is that you should buy topic wise segregated question booklet. This will be very much helpful. So under the unit number 13, many questions will be asked, so you can concentrate on only those questions, and you can prepare your customized topic, important topics that has been asked in question paper. So once you are revising one question paper, you are taking one question paper, means under the question paper you need to put question paper here, as well as you should also write what are the topic that has been asked under this particular unit. Next important thing is that please don't try to buy this particular textbook. So if you take unit number 13, that Wilson and Walker book is that highly suggested textbook, but please don't go for the textbook to cover up the entire textbook. If you are going to prepare based on textbook, then it's not going to help you, friends, and it will generally confuse you. Already this particular unit is itself a boring unit, so you should make yourself interested in preparing for any unit. Okay, so please don't go for textbook. Next important thing, you can follow this particular ma'am. Okay, she is Sharanya ma'am. Okay, she is a star educator and working in an academy platform. If you are having the subscription, then you can follow her video, or else no problem, then just go to YouTube, the Unacademy live CSIR net, type this particular thing, friends. So if you type on that, you can find many tutorials that has been taken by this particular Saranya ma'am. Not only this ma'am unit, you can also get many thing that has been and if you don't have subscription, then please follow this particular channel for free. You can get to know more about this particular thing. So for unit number 13, you can refer Saranya ma'am lecture that has been taken under an academic platform. Okay, for unit number 1, she is a good person for teaching. Next thing, instead of going to revising random notes with regard to any technique, say if you are going to study mass spectroscopy, means just go for referring some company website. Okay, because this company website provide you a important up-to-date information. So as you can able to see, the CSIR is improving the standard of question paper, so more from research oriented, many question has been asked. So you can refer company website, so simply put mass spectroscopy plus Thermo Fisher Scientific or Agile, and like you can refer any company website. Okay, so this is what the thing that that has helped me, friends. Next important thing, if some of you if you have any friend who is working on research division, if your senior is working on research division, then you can get to know about how they are sending sample for mass spectroscopy. For example, I am saying, friends, because with respect to CSIR, you no need to study about the instrumentation part and all. You just need to know for what purposes the mass spectroscopy is made to use. That is first thing, application. Next thing, how the sample is being prepared for mass spectroscopy, like what are the chemical that has been employed for preparing sample preparation. Next important factor is that you should know how the sample has been analyzed, so you should know the interpretation thing also. Okay, so next thing, same for not only for mass spectroscopy, you can type for any technique. So for 2D and all, the Thermo Fisher Scientific providing enough notes, so you can take note from this company website. Okay, next thing, for few techniques like immunological techniques and all, you can refer the sigmaulrich.com website, that is Merck website. They provide starting from sample preparation towards a principle, everything they will be giving you notes. Okay, so both the website you can can refer. And next thing is that you can concentrate on Wikipedia notes also, friends, which will be very much helpful. I know many of you will be having a false statement. Of course, for your MSc, BSc notes and all, you should not refer Wikipedia, but with respect to CSIR, the main goal of CSIR preparation is that you should know the concept. So for memorizing the concept, to understand what is mean by technique, you can refer this Wikipedia. The main reason why I refer Wikipedia means they have an edit option, so up to date information you can get till today. What is happening with respect to DNA sequencing, you can get. Next, with refer to microscopic techniques, every year at least one question will be asked from this microscopy. So with respect to microscopic technique, you can refer this Nikon website. Yes, friends, that is Nikon is having a particular website called Microscopy U, the source of microscopy education, which provide immense knowledge with respect to microscopy. Okay, so if you are going to study confocal microscopy, means you can refer this particular website. Okay, so simply put microscopyu.com/technique/confocal microscopy, means it will be giving you entire thing. Okay, the next thing is that, so these are the things that I had followed with respect to, because first section A, it is highly important, friends. Okay, next section B will be studying in immunology itself, and section C is also biophysical method. And with respect to section D, either you can go for referring some YouTube video, or else you can get help from some of your mathematical friends, or if you are studied biostatistics in your BSc or MSc, then you can follow that particular notes. Okay, and also with respect to radio labeling technique and all, you need to know about what are the radioisotopes that has been used for biological tissue, and microscopy is highly important technique. And also this particular electrophysical methods and all, you need to know for what purposes this PET and all used, for what purposes fMRI is used. Only you need to know, you no need to go in detail, friends. Okay, next last unit and all, you no need to study. Okay, so this is how I just study. So this is the tip that I need to share with you, friends. So if you take some other question that has been asked in this unit, the question is literally easy, but the only thing is that students are not being unaware about these particular thing. Like if you take part B question, which one of the following is used as a source of extension in confocal microscope? Ultimately, if you come across, if you studied about confocal microscope in your 10th standard, 12th standard, you ultimately know the laser is a correct option, because electron beam is used for TEM. And the next important tip is that, you know, from many people are targeting dev bio, biochemistry, plant physiology, that is system physiology, plant, thinking that from that particular unit only many question has been asked, and many don't know about this particular last unit, friends. But you know, from CSIR, that is from this particular unit in CSIR, many questions are repeatedly asking. You need to understand only what are the questions that has been repeatedly asking. Like if you take the small d of and all question, at least one question will be coming under the small d of. Okay, likewise you need to work on what are the questions has been asked, and instead of preparing for some other unit like biochemistry, side by side you can parallelly prepare for this particular unit. Say for part C and all, this particular question has been asked, so if you know what is mean by binomial distribution, then you can easily get 4 mark. Okay, so likewise question also will be coming, and instead of that you will also get questions with respect to interpretation. So if you have some other contact with the research person, or if you have contact with some other higher person who are working in that particular technique, then they will be definitely helping you. Okay, so these are the tips that I need to share with you with respect to unit number 13, friends. So please have this particular tips in your mind before preparing for this particular unit. So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video.